My name is Mack McNevin. I live in Venice, Florida, and I want to talk about my LeafFilter gutter protection experience. In the aftermath of Hurricane Ian, we definitely needed new gutters and downspouts, so we went on a search and we found LeafFilter at a home show nearby us in Sarasota, Florida. We scheduled an appointment with the representative there and actually had a person at our home within one day after that. The person who came to our home was very thorough. They took a lot of pictures. They made a lot of good suggestions, but they listened to what I wanted aesthetically also. And I had a really pleasing experience so that I got a system that not only looks good, but it functions well too. They were ready to send an installation team as soon as was convenient for me. So 3 days after the presentation at my home, I had an installation team here, and it took the 2 men who came about half of a day, and they installed everything perfectly. It looks great, it's functioning great, and they cleaned up the site, didn't leave any kind of messes. I was really very pleased because I got a system that was competitively priced, but one that I feel was done with superior materials and expertly installed. So I'm very happy with LeafFilter.